Hello friends, I am Abha. You are watching Digital Kaksha. Today we will discuss about the abstract nouns. So without any further delay, we should move toward our objectives. First, formation of the abstract noun. Abstract noun कैसे बनते हैं? Some suffix with their examples. वो suffix जिनसे हम abstract nouns बनाते हैं. And the last is okay. Only two objectives are here. What is the abstract noun? The abstract noun is a type of noun which cannot be felt physically. जिसको हम physically feel नहीं कर सकते. That is ना touch कर सकते हैं, ना देख सकते हैं, ना सुन सकते हैं. Okay, अब ये कैसे बनते हैं? Formation of abstract noun. Abstract noun can be formed by adjective, verb, common noun. बाई एडिंग सफिक्स, यानी किसी भी एडजेक्टिव, वर्ब या कॉमन नाउन में जब हम सफिक्स जोड़ देते हैं तो हमें हमारा अब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन मिल जाता है. एंड नाउ यू पीपल आर थिंकिंग व्हाट इज द सफिक्स नाउन. सफिक्स क्या है? तो सफिक्स अ लेटर और कैन बी अ ग्रुप ऑफ लेटर दैट यू ऐड, जो आप ऐड करते हैं एट द एंड ऑफ द वर्ड. किसी भी वर्ड के एंड में अगर आप कोई लेटर या ग्रुप ऑफ लेटर ऐड कर रहे होते हैं और फिर आपको कोई नया वर्ड बन रहा होता है, तो जो आप ऐड कर रहे हैं, जो एडेंट है, दैट इज कॉल्ड सफिक्स. ओके, एग्जाम्पल्स फॉर द अब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन. ऑनेस्ट इज एन एडजेक्टिव. ऑनेस्ट एक एडजेक्टिव है. और ऑनेस्ट से कौन सा अब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन बना? ऑनेस्टी, बाय एडिंग द सफिक्स वाई. एंड सेकेंड is boy. Boy is common noun, and in boy we add suffix hood. What we get? क्या मिला हमें? abstract noun, that is boyhood, यानी लड़कपन. Move is a verb, and by adding ment suffix in move we get movement, and movement is abstract noun. Okay, so this is all about abstract noun, suffix and the formation of abstract noun. And now we are going for some examples of suffix and the words derived from the same. First suffix is age, and the word derived from the suffix age is marriage. Marry is a verb while age is suffix, and by adding both of them we get marriage, and marriage is a abstract noun. Second is शॉर्टेज, दैट इज कमी, किसी चीज की कमी होना. तो शॉर्ट इज एडजेक्टिव एंड एज इज आर सफिक्स. तो व्हाट वी गेट हियर? अब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन, दैट इज शॉर्टेज. सेकेंड सफिक्स इज एंस और एंस, ANCE और ENCE. ओके, एंड वर्ड फ्रॉम दिस सफिक्स इज कॉम्पिटेंस, यानी योग्यता. For example, we can say that a student of our school have a lot of competence to crack any competitive exam. Compete is verb here and ends is suffix, and from both of them we get competence. And the second example for the same is appearance. Appearance मतलब आपका look या आपका जो भी चीज़ें दिखाई पड़ रही हैं. Appearance. Appear is a verb, दिखना, and ans is a suffix, and by adding both of them what we get? We get appearance. Third suffix is CE or CY. Idiocy. Idiocy मतलब कुछ भी बेवकूफ़ी भरा काम या कुछ भी ऐसा जो आपको किसी ना किसी चीज़ में फंसा दे. तो idiot is an adjective, and CY is suffix. From both of them we get idiocy. And second example for the same suffix is absence. Absence मतलब किसी चीज़ की कमी होना या किसी चीज़ का मौजूद ना होना. Absent is an adjective here, and the suffix is CE, and by adding both of them we get absence. Fourth suffix is dom, and the word from this is freedom. Free is a verb, dom is suffix, and by adding both of them we get freedom, azadi. And the second example for the same suffix is boredom. Boredom. Bore is a verb and dom as suffix, and by adding both of them we get boredom. मतलब एक ऐसी स्टेट जिसमें आप बोर हो रहे हो, यानी बोर होने की कंडीशन. वैसे भी abstract noun cannot be felt physically, so we are just trying our best to imitate through the pictures. वैसे तो abstract noun हम देख ही नहीं सकते हैं. Okay, next suffix is ERY or RY, and slave is a common noun here, and in slave we are adding RY, and what we are getting here, slavery यानी मजदूरी. Okay, and the second example for the same suffix is ravelry. Ravel is verb here, मस्ती करना, and ravelry, when we are adding ry it will become ravelry यानी मौज मस्ती. Next suffix is f. I told you people, suffix can be a letter or can be a group of letter. Okay, relief. Relief मतलब आराम मिलना. Whenever you are doing yoga or any pranayamic exercises, you will get relief. And how we obtain relief? By adding suffix in a verb, that is relieve. अगर आप verb में f जोड़ते हैं तो आपको relief abstract noun मिल जाता है. And the second example for the same suffix is believe. Believe is a मतलब किसी चीज पर विश्वास होना, a state of being very believeful for anything. तो हम हमेशा क्या believe करते हैं कि there is a God and who is almighty. तो by adding believe, by adding f in verb believe, we get belief. The next suffix is hood, and in noun adult we get we add hood, we get adulthood. यानी कि छोटे से बड़ा होना या adulthood में कदम रखना, इस तरीके से. Second example for the suffix is childhood. Child is a noun and hood is suffix, and we get childhood by adding both of them. Next suffix is ein. Okay, admiration. Admire is a verb and ion is a suffix, and on adding both of them we get admiration. In picture it is looking like lady is admiring someone. Second example for the same suffix is decision. Decide is a verb, and when we add ion, that is suffix in this verb, we get decision. Okay, we cannot see the decision of anyone, but it is a state of being taking tend to take decision. Next suffix is ism, and the word for is heroism. On adding hero, on adding ism in hero, that is noun, we get heroism. And the second example for the same suffix is modernism. Modern is an adjective, and when we add suffix in this, we get modernism. And the next suffix is ity, and the example for the same is absurdity. Absurd is an adjective जिसका मतलब होता है अजीब होना, उल्टा होना. And you are able to understand, never rain droplets go upward. कभी वो ऊपर की तरफ नहीं जाती. तो absurdity. And the second example for the same suffix is scarcity. किसी चीज की कमी होना. Scarce is an adjective, and when we add it in the adjective, we get scarcity. And the next suffix is meant, and the example for the suffix is enjoyment, where enjoy is a verb and meant is suffix. On adding both, we get enjoyment. And the second example for the same suffix is government, where govern is a verb. Govern एक verb है, जबकि मेंट एक सफिक्स है, और जब हम दोनों को जोड़ देते हैं व्हाट वी गेट गवर्नमेंट. एंड द नेक्स्ट सफिक्स इज ness, and the example for the same is happiness. Happy is a verb, ness is suffix, and when we add happy and ness, what we get? Happiness. And the second example for the same suffix is kindness. Kind is an adjective, ness is a suffix, और दोनों को जोड़ने पे हमको मिल गया kindness. Next suffix is th, ith, and the example for the same death. और कैसे बना डेथ? When we add die with suffix, die is a verb here, we get death. And the second example for the same suffix is growth. Grow is a verb, th is suffix, और जब हमने दोनों को जोड़ा तो हमें क्या मिला? growth. And you can see growth of a plant in 3 comparative figures. Next suffix is tude. First is gratitude, a feeling of being thankful for someone. Girl is combining her hand to thank to God for the everything which she has. जो उसके पास है उन सब चीज़ों के लिए वो thank you बोल रही है. It is a feeling of gratitude. And how we can obtain gratitude? On adding grateful with suffix. Grateful is adjective here. And the second example for this suffix is, दूसरा example क्या है इस suffix के लिए? Magnitude. किसी चीज़ का magnitude होना, मतलब किसी चीज़ का quantity होना. कितना quantity में? You people must heard about magnitude of earthquake. तो हम क्या measure करते हैं कि कितना strong था, कितना magnitude था उसके अंदर. Okay? तो magnitude is initially pronunciated as magnitudo, because magnus is a Greek word, और magnus का मतलब होता है कि very large in size, very large in quantity. Okay, तो magnus plus tudo, and magnus is an adjective here. I hope you people are getting my point, and if you people have any doubt, just let me know in comments. I'll try to compensate the same. Okay, next suffix is ty. Novelty. Novelty means a state of being new, nayapan. And how can we obtain novelty? On adding suffix in novel. Novel is an adjective that means a new thing. Second example for the same suffix is safety. Safe is an adjective here, and when we add ty in safe, it will become safety, that is abstract noun. Next suffix for the same making abstract noun is your. First is capture. Capture means किसी चीज को पकड़ना, किसी चीज को बंद रखना. Okay, and how we can obtain capture? By adding suffix in a verb that is catch. Catch में अगर हम suffix जोड़ दें तो हमें capture मिल जाएगा. And the second example for the same suffix is failure. And you can see that fail is also a verb, and when we add suffix in this verb, what we will get? Failure. Failure is a state of being failed. जब आप fail हो जाते हैं वो जो state होती है आपकी वो होती है failure. And this is all about for abstract noun, suffixes used to form abstract noun and their meaning. This is the call of the day, and I hope you people found this video useful. If yes, then let me know in comments, and thank you.